Are you looking for answers on how do you start a successful small business? Well, look no more. And don't forget to subscribe, as new business startup kits are released regularly. Now here's my colleague, to tell you more.
How do you start a successful small business? You need a startup business kit. The reality is, in business, if you want to have the best chance of succeeding, rather than coming up with a great idea that nobody has come up with yet and hoping there is a market for it, instead find out what people are already buying, and create a service or product that fills that existing need. Let me give you an example. If you were to build a car from scratch without an official guide, and random resources you found on the internet, chances are you'll either spend 2 to 3 times the amount of time it would take an informed builder to build it, and you would blow a lot of money or sanity on your mess-ups and do-overs, or simply give up. If the thought of building a car from scratch without a guide sounds difficult to you, then why doesn't building a successful small business without a guide also sound difficult? To this end, we have developed a business startup kit from the best business ideas and provided startup tools for you to start a successful business. Each kit contains a business startup video and checklist, an industry-specific business plan, marketing plan and financials. Let's get you the perfect guide to start a successful small business. Visit https://rightstepstartup.com/index.php/business plans and act on starting a successful business today.